Hi, this is Christy. I'm super uber excited to tell you about this. I have been following Michele Rohr for the past 3 years, and she and Amy have teamed up to present some awesome material for you. If you've ever even thought about making printables or planners, you will love Planner Girl, and you will love all of these. Okay, so let's just start with this one, the Canva template kit. Over 292 Canva templates designed specifically for people who want to start and build a business selling printable planners super fast. I actually used this, made a Lady Boss printable, digital planner. Used some images I bought from Creative Market, and I've made two sales of already, and I haven't even really promoted it at all. So I know this works. It works for me. It works for so many other, mostly ladies. There's some awesome men in the group as well. And people are really enjoying Amy and Michelle's templates. Their courses are amazing. Their help is um, just, unsurpassed quality you'll find here. And let's take another look right here. The magic is you embrace the inner work of becoming who you really are, trust your intuition, and going all in on your zone of genius. People love this as well. It's called the SOS Club. And again, they're having a holiday sale. And if you buy any of these products or PDFs or templates, um, I am going to match it with a course or a PDF from my own Teachable school, which you can see right here. I have lots and lots of things for you to choose from in my virtual shop here. You can shop and choose something of comparable value for every product that you purchase from Michele and Amy in this holiday sale. You will get a course from me. So if you purchase one, you'll get one. You purchase three, you'll get three, and so forth. So I think you'll be able to find something that you really love. They have so much goodness, so many goodies, I call it. This is a very, very popular course. Um, I have had, I don't even know, hundreds of people sign up under my link for Passive Income Planner Girl because it is that good. Okay, it is that good. Creating your zone of genius planner. It talks about their journey. They started creating products together in 2018. We find joy in helping women tap into their zone of geniuses and create businesses and lives from a place of being fully in alignment with who you are, your gifts. Michelle lives in Miami. Amy lives in London, and they are great together. Jenny's story, my planner girl journey, has opened my eyes to more than just creating planners. I've learned so much about myself in terms of my capabilities, my confidence, the negative beliefs I needed to overcome. As a result, I've built my Etsy business on my own terms and following my own intuition, which has been the most freeing and healing experience for me, which will definitely serve me in the next level of my journey. And then you can see an example of her Etsy shop right here, which is beautiful. She has 3,574 sales. So people are having success following them. And Jamie, I know Jamie online. She has a gorgeous products as well. And Jamie said, when I first joined Passive Income Planner Girl, I thought I was going to learn how to create a planner, hopefully make a little money. But what I didn't realize, I was been given the opportunity to design a successful business that brought out the best in me. We each have something special and unique that the world needs, and with the right tools, we can learn how to bravely and confidently share our sparkle. For me, that has absolutely been Passive Income Planner Girl. And if you click on the link, it will take you to her beautiful website called Cupcakes and Haystacks. And people love her her journals, her digital planners. I mean, aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. Look how adorable these are. Adorable. Okay. And she learned from Michele. Okay. And Maria's story, The Magic of Passive Income Planner Girl, is that it has a beautiful message hidden inside, like a treasure. You might join and think, I'm going to learn how to create digital planners. But as you listen to Michele and Amy's conversations, you discover is so much more than that. They're inviting you to find your zone of genius, truly believe in yourself, and create a business your way. And I can attest to that. That I have learned a lot from watching and listening to Michele and Aimee. Okay, not just about Etsy, not just about planners and printables, but about the entire online business, how to structure your business. So you're not going to be left out in the cold. You're going to have two awesome ladies to hold your hand and guide you. And here's Maria's Planner Shop on Etsy. Um, Look at this, 647 sales. And see, everybody has their own style. Awesome, 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 awesome stuff. So, if you want to see all of their courses, their templates, everything is 50% off, which I've never seen her do, and not sure the date of expiration. So, be sure you go ahead and click the link below. You'll see this page. This is my page for you to join my newsletter, and then it will direct you to that holiday sales page, and I'll be able to send you tips. You can ask me questions and claim your bonuses. Because again, for every course you buy of Michele and Aimee's, I will give you one of mine that is of comparable value. Okay, so one for one matching. You buy two courses, you get two. You buy three, you get three. Four, you get four. Five, you get five. And I think it's amazing. Two for one value, and at 50% off, you just can't beat it. So I think you're going to absolutely love, love, love what Michele and Aimee have to offer you to help you build your printables planner online business. And I have people email me and thank me for introducing me to them. And I hope you're one of those. So thank you for stopping by. Please give me a like and subscribe. And I appreciate you. God bless you. Talk to you soon. Bye now. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. And again, if you have any questions, I will have my email below this video. So just feel free to reach out. And if you're watching this after November 2021, just email me and ask me, because a lot of times I will have a special coupon even after the holiday sale is over. So don't hesitate to reach out. And again, if you would give me a like, a thumbs up, and a subscribe to my channel, it really does help give me incentives. Again, I'm an affiliate for Michele and Aimee. Proud to say that. Just grateful for them. And don't forget, you get a one for one bonus of, if you, whatever you buy, one, two, three, four, you will get that many choices from my teachable school. And I have a lot of things that I think you might like. So 50% off, grab it. Let's go. Get ready, get busy. It's your time now. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.